All right, kind of keeping a diary right now, video diary, stills. So I had, as I did in an earlier video that I was showing my brother, cracked my chassis. I don't know how I did it. So I bought a new one. So I'm in the midst of changing everything over. I got this RPM gear case, gearbox, and honestly and truthfully, I believe that's the reason for this. Just the way that it's set up. And I think that's what caused the failure in the chassis. Basically, the whole time that I was using this stock chassis, I had no issues. I think it's more structurally sound the way it is set up right here. There's no flex, there's no way to give. I think I did a bad jump or whatever, cartwheeled, and the way it hit, that's what caused it to fracture the chassis. But yeah, I'm switching everything over. Got a few more things too that I need to. Oh yeah, so I'm not using this. It's kind of like now it's just like my little mock-up. So I'm expecting an aluminum Entergy gearbox. Went with the Entergy aluminum bulkhead. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this upper chassis yet. You know, I'm thinking maybe dye it or just buy a new one already black. I've already had the black battery holder. I don't know. I'll think about it. Definitely these right here, I don't like them. My personal opinion, I think they're garbage. They're atomics. They keep blowing the upper bladder. Every time I hit a bump hard enough, man, I got oil leaking everywhere. So I'm gonna switch from them. I'm gonna get the Traxxas GTRs, and I'm gonna go that route. But as you see right now, starting to come together. Yeah, but I still got these over here that are totally untouched. So, as you see, you know, several controllers. I got, yeah, pretty much. I got two projects at hand. Mine, which is a Traxxas Rustler, and then I got my son's down there who has a